So good morning, folks. Hope you are doing well and hope you enjoyed last night's NBA finals and happy with the result. At least I am. And one observation, last time Warriors won, time sharing computing was the in thing to do. So I think they need to win more often, I suppose. Now, okay. So I want to start with a quick recap. So as you know, what we said, the goals of ONS 2015 are access and debate the state of open source, SDN and NFV, shape future direction of open source SDN and NFV, and also debate and discuss what are the right business model for open source SDN and NFV to succeed. Okay. Now, if I look at yesterday's program, I hope you found it as exciting as I did. You saw a lot of talks and discussion about all the progress that network operators are making with SDN and NFV. You also saw talks and discussion about maturization of SDN and NFV technologies and solutions. Hopefully you also got to see the exhibits and solution showcase. If you have not, I would really strongly encourage you to walk through the solution showcase and all the exhibits. You will be really impressed and happy with how far we have come in terms of SDN and NFV and creating solutions that are getting ready for deployment. And in that context, I hope you saw pull for open source SDN and NFV from service providers. You saw open source SDN and NFV platforms and tools, as well as some of the showcases that are powered by open source SDN and NFV as well. So hopefully all of this is coming together in support of what we are trying to do at ONS 2015. Okay, so there is one more thing that we are doing at ONS 2015 that I want to introduce that we are very excited about. We have brought one of the key research program from the research community, and we are co-hosting that at Open Networking Summit. Some of you may be familiar, there was a program, there was a conference or a workshop that is called Hot SDN. It was run for 3 years with ACM SIGCOMM, one of the most popular workshops in the research community. It has now matured, or it has kind of promoted to become a conference. It is called Saucer, Symposium on SDN Research, and this time it is co-located with ONS. And the idea of co-locating Saucer with ONS is so that we can do cross-pollination of ideas between research community and industry, and we think in the context of SDN and NFV that is very important. We had two very distinguished people to co-chair Saucer this year. Jen Rexford, that you may know, professor from Princeton. She has done a lot of original work in the area of SDN. And of course, Amin Vedat from Google, who is one of the keynote speakers this morning as well. And a very strong program committee. And they selected a bunch of talks and papers that are part of Saucer program. And if you see, there are comprehensive session, 4 sessions that are going to include these papers, and I will highly encourage you to check it out. If you want to see what the research community is doing at the leading or the bleeding edge of SDN and NFV, you should go and check out this session. I also cannot resist the temptation to announce that next year Martin Casado, who is considered one of the fathers of SDN, he is going to be the co-chair of Saucer with Brighton Godfrey, who is a professor at UIUC. So you can expect the next year's program to be equally good and strong as well.